So I was asked to print a Spider-Man ear protector for someone on Facebook, and so far it's coming out quite good. I decided to print it without any type of support material or anything like that, and I think I don't remember what quality settings I set it to, but um, the masks I set to basically a low quality because they're more functional than anything else, and even then the lines are not super visible. Here, I'll show you. So that's basically the little bit of stringing in some of these, and I don't know why that is. I seem to have gotten rid of that, but it seems to be coming when I changed, like took some material out, but it seems to be coming back. But basically, this is the mass and a little bit of layering. I don't think anybody's gonna be bothered by that. So with this one, what you're seeing is what's happening right now, and I guess we'll find out later how this comes out. I'm about to go to the grocery store to grab some snacks, so because I got my $1,200 today, so I am rolling the $1,200 dough. I'll have to post a video of the results when this is done. Talk to you guys soon.